Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I will be doing the Excel BI Power Query Challenge 233 with Excel, not with Power Query. I'm not a Power Query guy. And stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow I will release my LAMBDA collection. So stay tuned. But let's go into the PQ challenge here. So I've downloaded it and we should calculate the shipped and non-shipped product. So it's given here with yes and no. Amounts for all fruits, also generate the total, so like here the total columns. And what I will do today is like the first use of the pivot by function on this channel. So as you may know or may not know, I hate pivot tables, but with the pivot function, it's like a pivot by function, it's like not a pivot table, it's like a function. So yeah, and therefore I need to prepare everything so that I have the apples for rows this year in a the apple for the rows for the row in the column that I have the shipped number here, so like yes and no in the column, and that I have the product here in the column. So let's do this separately. So here the shipped amount we can do like or what I will do is first use here two row of this, and then WRAPROWS with a wrap count of 3. Then we have those as a separate because I don't want to have everything as a single input. And now we can do something. We have here the yes and no. We can take this later, and also I can use here drop first column out, and then I take by row and use the eta lambda product, eta reduced lambda here. And then here we have everything for this here and these values here. And now we need to have the headers or the row values here. And I will therefore use the reduce function. Initial value is nothing, array is given here. And now I use lambda AB and do an VSTACK of A and 2 times B, because what I'm doing, need here something, and then can drop it out. Yeah. Drop out the first row. What I do here is stack everything 2 times B together to get like those values here, and then stacking everything above to get like the values there. And now we're using pivot by. Row fields are given, and these are the row fields. These are the column fields. These are the values, and I want to have like the sum of the values. The totals are already there. Now we can bring everything in. So this is here. This is, I first should put this in a let function, let w, yes, close the bracket at the end. We have this. Now I need this here. So this is a green one there. And now I take here W inside. Can also get rid of those stuff. And now here we do, instead of take this, we take the take function W first column, and we have like kind of as it is. So like with the header, it's already mentioned that it was like messed up. So we don't pay attention to this, but we will sort those rows here, and also a little bit of like here the status and so on. So I will name this P, and now we do like the form as it should be. So with a huge VSTACK function, HSTACK in status and take of P, the first row, but drop out the first column. Now we take a look. Yeah, it is as it should be. Now next VSTACK, HSTACK. Now we stack in shipped amount. So this is kind of manual, but yeah, never mind. Shipped amount and then choose course of P and the third column. Then we take this third column, not true. Yeah, it's okay. Then we take all of this, take in here not shipped amount. Take the first one, yeah, that's fine. And here instead of 3, it's column 2. And now the last one, we take the easy and simple, the last row of P, so P minus 1. And we are bad. I'm bad. Sorry. HSTACK status, drop P first row, drop the first column. That should be fine. Ah, yeah, I need to drop here something. So drop the first column and drop here the first column. And we're CHOOSEROWS. Yeah, of course. Sorry for the misinterpretation. So we're good to go here. We want to have a 0. So I name this S for stacked and then do something if S equals nothing, then 0, otherwise S. 0, otherwise S. And we have here everything. And we can now get rid of the semicolons. It's kind of a long formula. Post it. But as you will see, like there are way simpler solutions. For example, from BYROW or here from Imam. So yeah, it could be more easier, but yeah, never mind. So thank you for attention. I hope to see you tomorrow in the LAMBDA collection release. Thank you. Bye.